Okay, so when you first join educreations, you'll need to set up an account. When you open the app, you'll get this screen and you click the little cog wheel, the gear, and you'll see the menu there for settings, and you need to go to the login and sign up button at the top there. Now once you're there, you'll get these options, and you want to create a free account. If you're the teacher, then you would click teacher, and you'd also get students there to fill in their details with the student one, and basically just fill in all of your details, and then you would click register, and then that's it. You would be logged in, and any lessons that you create would get saved up to your account. So this is how you would go about using educreations. Launch it from your home screen and you'll get a blank whiteboard, and that's basically how it acts. You've got your pens at the top here. You can change to about I think it's about 8 pens you can choose from, and you just write on the screen either with a stylus or with your finger. It's a pretty smooth fluid motion, so that's a good thing. You've also got a text input here, which is kind of cool. You get one font, but it's a nice clear font. You can change colours, make the text bigger and smaller using the buttons just above the keypad. Once you've typed it in, you can just move it around like an object. This is probably my favourite feature, is the images import. So you can do a web search. I'm just going to type for a fish, and it's a pretty safe search from my experience. It seems pretty safe. I'm not sure if they've got something built in there, but you just click the image that you like and in it goes. You can move it around. You can also go from your Dropbox and your camera roll as well. Undo and redo works pretty good. Eraser, you've got 2 modes here, just like a normal eraser where it rubs out things. We can also clear the whole page or just the pen, just the ink. So that's a good feature too. Down the bottom we've got some backgrounds you can choose from. There's not a lot of choice there, but there is some handy lines and graph paper and things like that. This button will duplicate a page, which is a very handy feature because rather than setting up the whole page again, you can just press duplicate. And you can see it says page 2 of 2 down here. So I can flick using the arrows on the left and right of the bottom toolbar here between page 1 and page 2, which means I can create or build a lesson pretty quickly. Up the top right hand corner, I press record, and you can see my timer is timing, and it's recording everything that I'm writing on the screen as well as my voice. You can go back and re-record your voice, but you can't do the whole lesson again or preview it. Once you've logged in at the start, then you would press save and save the lesson to your account. It will appear in the thumbnails in the main menu. From the main menu here, you can watch the lesson like I am here, or you can hit the share button and you can send an email that contains a link, or you can just copy the lesson link and then you could pop that somewhere else on a wiki or a blog page or a website or something like that. You can also use the settings toolbar here for a lot of other features, including linking to your Dropbox account. And the last thing is the trashing. You can hit the trash, and this is probably one of the biggest things I've seen in class, is that kids can delete your lessons if you're using a shared account. So look out for that one. Other than that, it's a really good app. Please follow us on Facebook and Twitter or on our website. We'd love to see you there.